Something is happening inside your walls. No sound, no movement. But within, millions of tiny insects are silently eating away at your home's foundation. They are termites, nature's most mysterious and destructive engineers. But did you know they are not just destroyers, but also a scientific marvel? First, let us know the physical features of termites. Body structure. Termites have soft, pale, or whitish bodies, almost translucent. Their bodies are divided into three parts: head, thorax, abdomen. Size. Most worker termites are about 4 to 10 millimeters long. Workers are responsible for keeping the colony clean and storing food for the colony. Soldier termites may be slightly larger due to their large jaws. They are responsible for protecting the colony. A queen termite can grow up to 10 centimeters, 4 inches in length. Color. Workers, creamy white or light brown. Soldiers, light brown body with darker colored heads. Reproductives, alates dark brown or black with shiny wings. Wings. Only reproductive termites, alates, have wings. They have two pairs of wings. Both front and back wings are equal in size, a key identifying feature. The wings are long, delicate, and fall off after the nuptial mating flight. Antennae. Termites have straight, bead-like antennae, unlike ants, which have bent or elbowed antennae. These help them sense pheromones, vibrations, and touch. These are the main sensory organs of termites. Eyes. Most termites are blind, especially workers and soldiers. Only reproductives, alates, have small compound eyes that help them navigate while flying. THSA are the only termite form that have wings, jaws and mandibles. Soldier termites have large, powerful jaws used for defense. These are security guards of the bee colony. Workers have smaller mandibles used for chewing wood and building the nest. Legs. Termites have 6 legs, like all insects. Their legs are adapted for crawling, not for jumping or fast running. Now let us know in brief the life cycle of termite. The life cycle of a termite occurs in 4 main stages. Egg. The queen termite lays thousands of eggs each day. The eggs are small, white, and semi-transparent. Within a few weeks, these eggs hatch into nymphs, young termites. Nymph, young termite. These are tiny termites that start developing adult characteristics. Their development depends on the needs of the colony. They may become soldiers, workers, or future kings, queens. Workers, soldiers, reproductives. Workers, the largest group in the colony. They handle cleaning, foraging, and caring for eggs and the queen. Soldiers, their job is to defend the colony. They have large mandibles and hardened heads for protection. Reproductives, winged termites, male and female alates that are destined to start new colonies. Alates, swarmers, king and queen. The winged termites, alates, fly out in search of mates. After mating, they shed their wings and settle on the ground to start a new colony. The female becomes the queen and begins laying eggs. The male becomes the king and stays with her for life. Species and global presence of termite. There are over 2,500 species of termites distributed well around the world. From giant African mounds to Indian homes, they're everywhere. Every forest is full of termites. Species may vary, but not all termites are alike. Some are blind, some have wings, and some are so destructive they cause billions in damage each year. A termite colony starts with a single egg. But that egg doesn't just hatch an insect, it begins an underground empire. The termite life cycle includes egg, nymph, and casts, soldiers, workers, and reproductives, as told earlier in this video. The queen can lay over 30,000 eggs daily and live for up to 20 years, one of the most successful reproducers on Earth. Colony life. If any insect is a true socialist, it's the termite. Every termite knows its role in colony without being told. Discipline, hygiene, construction, defense, it all happens with no leader, completely automatic. Termite mounds regulate temperature and humidity like air conditioning, with no electricity. Power of destruction. Termites are nature's paradox, wonders of biology, and gods of destruction. Every year, they cause over $5 billion in damages worldwide. Termites are so silent and surreptitious, people often don't know until the wall collapses. Biological marvel. But termites aren't just destroyers, they are biological miracles. They can digest wood thanks to unique protozoa and bacteria in the guts of termite that break down cellulose like complex compound. Scientists are studying the phenomenon and trying to use termite gut bacteria to create biofuel. Strange and unknown facts about termites. Termites can fly, but only once in their lifetime, that too in reproductive elates only. The queen grows so massive, she can't even move on her own. Termites are blind, but they speak the language of pheromones, that is the means of communication among them. Some termite species commit suicide by rupturing themselves to trap enemies in dew like goo. Termites teach us that size doesn't matter, organization and purpose do. Where we see a threat, nature sees a necessary balance. Termites play an important role in ecological balance. Behind every destruction, there may be design, we just need a new perspective. If you liked this documentary, hit like, subscribe the channel and share it with others. Please tell us in the comments. Who should be the next unknown hero of nature?